The LNG value chain. Liquefied natural gas, or LNG, is natural gas that has been cooled to very low temperatures to convert it into a liquid. First, the natural gas is extracted from onshore and offshore reservoirs and piped to an onshore processing plant. When the gas arrives at the processing plant, all the components that might interfere with the liquefaction process are removed, including water, carbon dioxide, hydrogen sulfide, and mercury, which could freeze during cooling. Once it has been cleaned, the natural gas is ready to be liquefied. To achieve this, it is fed through giant refrigerators called liquefaction trains, where it is gradually cooled to minus 163 degrees Celsius. It now takes up 600 times less space than in its gaseous state, and is therefore much easier and less expensive to store and transport. The LNG is stored temporarily before being loaded onto specifically designed LNG carriers and shipped to consumer countries. On arrival at its destination, the LNG is offloaded via mechanical arms that latch onto the ship's tanks, and then stored in cryogenic tanks while awaiting regasification. The LNG is then returned to its gaseous state at a regasification terminal. This is done by sending the LNG through heat transfer tubes over which water flows to provide the heat necessary for regasification. This method offers both environmental and practical advantages. It doesn't require fresh water, and since LNG is transported by ship, regasification terminals are always located by the sea. Before the naturally odorless gas can be fed into the distribution network, a distinctive odor must be added to help detect any leaks during its use. It is then ready to be sent from the terminal to consumers and businesses via natural gas transmission and distribution networks.